Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So for this you can use any of the apps that are offered by Shopify itself. So head over to apps and there you need to simply search for import. Let me just search in here. Okay, so you're going to search in here for okay. Now we're going to be searching that in the App Store, and once we do, you can see we have a couple of options showing up in here. So let's just head over to the App Store. Now it's time to simply install the app that I like. So you can see we have multiple different apps in here to import different products. If you search in here for Alibaba, you're going to be getting exactly what you need. Now over here you can see we got a couple of options. So if you want to simply install an app, you need to be making sure that it does have a good rating and also comes with a free plan. So you can see over here we have import and export. So it does offers you different services, but the one that we are looking should have so a lot of these apps are constantly being updated, so you're going to be making sure that you get something which is good. So we can install this Alibaba and AliExpress Dropship, so you can simply import products in just one click. So I recommend this because it does have a good rating and also good amount of downloads. So you're going to be entering the links as it mentions, and once you enter the link in here, it is going to be importing the product from Alibaba to your own store, which is going to be automatically be listed into your products section. So this is how simple it is, and you can go ahead and try this out and let me know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.